New health drink from Korea na for sure ma-excite ka. Paano ba naman? Not only that it will help you get better skin, it's also good for your fitness journey. Meron tayong dalawang flavor from Hongcho ni Daisang Company, which is a very well-known company po sa Korea. Meron tayong pomegranate at raspberry flavor. At alam mo ba, sobrang tipid kasi yung isang bote na ganito, kukuha ka lang ng isang takip niya or 1 cup full, mix it in a glass of cold water katulad nito. So, ang dami mo magagawa health drink dito. So, hindi siya yung isang inuman mo lang. Ito pang ilang glass ko na, tinan mo, konti pa lang po yung nabawas. So, para saan nga pala to at bakit kailangan mo to? Nakaka-excite i-share to kasi not only that it will help you get better skin at syempre pantulong sa fitness journey, this is also loaded with vitamins and minerals, therefore helping boost your immunity, and the best part, this is all natural po. At ang maganda pa dito is you can enjoy it in many different ways. Yung pinakasimple po is mix it in a glass of cold water, pero you can also enjoy it hot. Gawin mo tsaa, mix it with honey. Pwede mo nga rin siyang ihalo sa soda. But if you want to maximize the health benefits, ihalo mo lang po sa cold water katulad nito and i-enjoy mo lang just like a regular juice drink. Pero pagdating sa lasa, gustong-gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya matamis, so you can actually add honey. Pero personally, mas preferred ko yung maaasim na ganito. So if you want to try this so you can maximize the health benefits, sobrang sulit ng isang bote pala na ganito kasi ang daming matitimpla mo. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Hongcho from Korea. Stay safe. Peace.